How to add tables in Canva. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily add a table to your Canva document. So if you are inside your Canva, make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already successfully logged into my account, and choose any of the design file you find appropriate. So once you're inside here, just click on this elements button over here. So to insert a table, all you have to do is just click on this search button over here and just search in for the table. As you can see, I've already searched it, and just click on the see all button over here and just select any of the table just like this. So as you can see, I've selected this table over here. So you can also modify the table number of rows and columns by simply right clicking on it over here. You can also delete the row. So let me show you by adding a column over here. As you can see, now the table has 4 columns, and you can also insert a row just like in the middle or at the bottom just like this, or at the top similarly. So you can also delete the rows by simply clicking right click and just clicking the delete row from over here, and you can easily modify your table just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.